These are the scary sounds of animals that are now extinct. The last one might give you goosebumps. Number 1, T-Rex. The T-Rex was a huge meat-eating dinosaur. It probably made deep, loud sounds like a mix between a crocodile and an elephant. Its roar could travel very far and scare anything nearby. Number 2, Velociraptor. This dinosaur was smaller, but very smart. Scientists think it made high-pitched, bird-like sounds. These sounds helped it talk to others in its group while hunting together. Number 3, Dryptosaurus. This was another big hunter. It likely made deep growling or rumbling noises. These sounds were so strong they could be heard in the thick forests where it lived.